Hi, first graders. Okay, let's get into our assignment today. Now today we are going to read a story and we're going to be practicing a lot with grammar. We're going to catch up on some grammar activities that we've been lacking in. So you're going to go to your McGraw-Hill button in your HSD2 portal, the red button. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1 and you're going to click on your assignments button and you're looking for 4 assignments today. You can do them whatever order you want, but I recommend reading School Dog first. I think that will be most beneficial. I want to show you, pull it up for you really quick. I want to show you what it looks like when you click on it. So it's not surprising. It's just like this, like any other book. You can make it take up the whole page. And we are going to be reading the book, or you're going to be reading this book. Now remember, these speaker buttons read it to you. If you need help with reading those different words and those different sentences, I highly recommend listening to it all the way through and then you trying to read it yourself with the help of the speaker if you get stuck. Like for this word here, this is tuca. Now, if you can't remember what that word is, you're having trouble sounding it out, then you can push the speaker button and listen to it again. So hopefully some of these words you'll start to recognize and you can start to blend them and read them on your own. So I would definitely recommend listening to the book all the way through once and then trying to read the book on your own all the way through at least once. More if you can. That'd be great. Let's close that one. The next things you're looking for are these 3 pieces, and they're all about grammar. So this is a song that you're going to be looking for, this grammar song. It's a different song than before, so we're going to listen to it. Then you can complete these 2 activities. One is about statements, and one is about like periods and such. So let's look at the statement one. Bring it over there so you can see it. So for here, it says read each set of words, drag the statements to the yes bin, and drag sets that are not statements to the no bin. So I can come back. Is that a statement? It has a capitalized letter. It has a period at the end. That's a complete statement. Yes. Cass had what? It's not a complete statement, right? It doesn't have a period at the end. It's not finished. So we put that in the no section. In my class. What in my class? Right? So that's not a complete statement. So drag it to the no column. We play tag. Yeah, I know who played tag. I know what they played. It's perfect. There's a period at the end. Yes, definitely a statement. And then when you fill them all in, it'll ask you to check. And it will throw out ones that are not correct so you can make corrections. There are 3 examples to do. So when you're finished with one, you click next and go to the next ones. This other one, mechanics activity, I'll show you what that one looks like. We've done this before. You are editing the sentence to find the error. So he is the first word in a sentence. I can't leave it lowercase. The first letter in a sentence is always capitalized. So I'm looking for, this says uppercase. This is our uppercase. Change it to uppercase. Check it. Good to go. And I go on to the next one. His cat is sick. It's capitalized. That's good. What am I missing? Good, I need a period at the end. So I click on the last word and I put a period at the end and I make it correct. Okay? After you've done all 4 of these activities, you are finished with your asynchronous work for today. Have a great rest of your day. Bye now.